Hi, boys and girls. And today's lesson in science is lesson 6. And before we get started, make sure you have this page. Okay, it's in some of you have a science journal, and others will have this page for lesson 6 attached to the lesson. And our lesson today is going to be how do plants and animals take in water, food, air, and light. So first, let's make an observation. Let's look right here. Okay, it says, have you ever tried to hold your breath underwater? How long did you last without taking a breath? Well, this looks like let's look carefully. This looks like a lot of fun. If you notice, he is swimming in the ocean. Okay, and oh, look at that. He sees a water turtle. That's really cool. But now I notice while the turtle is just swimming in the water, look at the boy. What is he using to help him be able to stay underwater for a while and be able to observe underwater what's down on the ground there in the water? Yep, he has a snorkel on. Have you ever swam with a snorkel? Do you find that it's easier to stay underwater longer with a snorkel than just holding your breath? For some people, it is. And then other people learn how to use it and they find that they can stay underwater much longer too. All right, let's look at the next slide. Whoop, too fast. Okay, phenomenon. All right. Whales live underwater like fish, but have to come to the surface to breathe. All right, let's look at this slide even longer here and bigger. Wow, isn't that neat? Look at how they're just swimming along. Do you know what that's called at the top of their heads? That's right, a blowhole. Yes. Okay, and there they keep going. Oh, that must be a mother and a baby. Okay. All right, let's try it one more time. Okay, there he goes. What do you think he's doing when you see that mist come out when he breaks through the water line? Let's look again. Oh, does that look like he's blowing out or blowing in? Oh, let's see. Oh, even the baby did it. Okay. So today we are going to, let's make this smaller. On your worksheet, it says phenomenon. And as we know, phenomenon is something that happens in the natural world or nature. So this phenomenon that we just witnessed says that whales live underwater like fish, but have to come to the surface to breathe. So this mist must have something to do with how they breathe. What do you wonder about this phenomenon? Hmm. I wonder. Well, you could wonder how do fish breathe? I wonder why is there that mist coming out of the top of the blowhole when the whale comes to the surface? Or since we're going to also talk about plants, we could wonder how do plants get their energy? Okay, because we know we have a mouth, whales have mouths, they have a blowhole, we have a nose. So I wonder how they may get their energy. So whatever you'd like to put as what you wonder, print it down here on the line, okay? And by the end of this lesson, we will be able to answer our question about what we wonder about this phenomenon. Okay, boys and girls? So good job today for lesson 6. All right. And I will see you tomorrow with our next lesson. Bye bye.